Hey guys, welcome back to another waxing video featuring my boyfriend and his super hairy stomach. I'm pretty sure this is like 2 months of grow out because he didn't want to have to go through it again, but I made him. I'm using White Chocolate Dream by Sexy Smooth Wax on him today, and you can see that she did the dang thing. Like, look at that little carpet that we just ripped up. It is so satisfying. As most of you guys probably already know, my boyfriend is super prone to ingrowns, and I swear it's like a genetic thing because I know that his father was really prone to ingrowns as well. But thankfully, waxing consistently has really helped with the amount of ingrowns that he gets, as well as some of the inflammation. I feel like he doesn't get as many giant, angry ingrowns that are super coily and deep in there, which is amazing. Now, I know this boy definitely isn't exfoliating as much as he should, even though I tell him. But overall, we can definitely see a difference, which makes me super happy. So at this point, he was complaining about the wax hurting more than usual today. I don't know if he was more sensitive or what was going on, but he tried to swear up and down that it was the wax, and I'm like, baby, no. So I went in with coconut pearl essence to give her a try, and literally it did the same thing. It felt the same. Like, he's just being dramatic. You can definitely see that it broke a little bit there. Like, don't mind me. I'm not perfect. This is a realistic wax. But so we went back to the white chocolate just to make sure we get majority of the hairs up, and because I was just really feeling this wax today. But since I already dipped into the coconut pearl essence, I thought, why not just use it for these cleanup strips so people see her shine too? Because she literally ate and left no crumbs. Like, look at that. Look at all those little crumbs. Oh, she did the thing. I'm also all about like the pretty sparkly colored waxes, but something about this clear wax just is so much more satisfying to me. Like, I love all the waxes that I've used, obviously, but she just did the thing, and seeing the hairs throughout the strips is so satisfying. The girls that get it, get it. I decided to leave this part in because I was literally shocked that my stick like broke in half. Like, broke in half, couldn't spread my wax right, and then pulling up the strip, like, ugh, God, it was such a mess. But we're here for a realistic waxing tutorial because I'm not perfect, so there we go. At least this strip is nice and it's gonna come up all smooth, thank the lords. Because at this point, I was kind of stressing on how this wasn't going to look super cute for my social medias and super satisfying. But again, we're realistic. It's okay. But at this point, you can definitely tell I was kind of over it. I was rushing a little bit through, and I promise that this wax is not the problem. It is user error. I was done. I was tapped out at this point, hence the wax stuck in his belly button. But it's okay, because he's my boyfriend. He has to deal with it because he gets a free wax. But the finished results was still bomb, so bye!